And many students have complained that in personal interview we can do very well, but we have problems in GD. कुछ एक बच्चों ने कंप्लेन किया है कि जीडी में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. तो जीडी का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कैसे हो सकता है? इंडल्ज करके, प्रैक्टिस करके. एक ही उपाय और कुछ नहीं. हो सकता है कि आपका भी आ गया हो. बताया जाएगा. Why are you worried? Well and good. नहीं तो there is always a second chance. All right, we'll do some exercise on selecting words. Exercise is selecting words, section 1. Direction to use. Pick out the most effective word or words from the given words to fill in the blanks to make the sentence meaningfully complete. Number 1. Fate smiles dash those who untiringly grapple with stark realities of life. You have to choose between with, over, on, round. First, try to understand the sentence. In sentences like this, these can be confusing. So first of all, read the sentence once, twice, thrice. Read it slowly.
Ma'am, round.
Answers आप मत भेजिए. Answer आप लिख down. You write down the answers so that you can assess yourselves कि इतने में 10 में आप क्या score कर रहे हैं. This is your self-assessment also. ठीक है? In a copy, write down your answers. एक बार समझ में नहीं आएगा तो फिर से पढ़िए. Fate smiles dash those who untiringly grapple with stark realities of life. Choose the best answer. I do not know. You write the answer. A, B, C, D लिखो. आप यहाँ सेल्फ असेसमेंट भी कर रहे हैं. Number 2. The miser gazed dash at the pile of gold coins in front of him. Do not write the answer in the chat box. Write it in a piece of paper. The miser gazed dash at the pile of gold coins in front of him. Avidly, admiringly, thoughtfully, earnestly. These are the adverbs. Take your time. Number 3, catching the earlier train will give us the dash to do something, to do some shopping. Chance, luck, possibility, occasion. Number 4, I saw a dash of cows in the field. Group, herd, swarm, flock. Collective nouns. See, these are full of parts of speech. Prepositions, nouns, adverbs. Number 5. The grapes are now dash enough to be picked. Adjectives. That is why in the bank at you have to undergo a lot of rigorous exercise in parts of speech. Success in the examination depends dash hard work alone. Prepositions. At, over, for, on. Pronouns. My uncle decided to take dash and my sister to the market. I, mine, me, myself. Number 8. If you smuggle goods into the country, they may be dashed by the customs authority. Possessed, punished, confiscated, fined. Participle adjective. Nouns. Man does not live by dash alone. Food, bread, meals, diet. Number 10. Piyush behaves strangely at times, and therefore nobody gets dash with him. About, through, along, up. Prepositions. इस सेक्शन को फिनिश कर लीजिए. 11. Rohan and Rohit are twin brothers, but they do not look unique, different, likely, alike. "12. To err is dash, to forgive is divine. वही तो तुमको लिखना है. ये बहुत फेमस वन लाइनर है जो कि कॉमन है, लेकिन इट इज वेरी कॉमन. सुना होगा. टू err is dash, to forgive is divine. एक बार अगर समझ में नहीं आता, दो बार और पढ़ लिया करो, ठीक है. नंबर 13. The ruling party will have to put its own house dash order. Today your passing score is, the target is 8. You have to score 8 out of 13. आप एक्सचेंज कर लोगे. व्हाट अबाउट पीपल हु आर ऑनलाइन? हाँ, एक्सचेंज कर लो, ठीक है. अपना गलती तो लगेगा नहीं कि अपना. हाँ, प्लीज एक्सचेंज योर कॉपी. People who are online, please be honest with your marks. All right. The first one. Fate smiles dash those who untiringly grapple with stark realities of life. आप आंसर देखिए और आंसर्स आपको हम बता रहे हैं. नंबर सी, ऑन फेट स्माइल्स ऑन दोज, मतलब किस्मत उन पर मेहरबान होती है जो कि रियलिटीज ऑफ लाइफ को समझते हैं, सोचते हैं, ग्रैपल करते हैं, ढूंढते हैं, रिसर्च करते हैं. They are grappling in the dark, they are exploring in the dark. On fate smiles on those, fate उनके लिए उन पर मेहरबान होती है जो जिंदगी के स्टार्क रियलिटीज, कंप्लीट रियलिटीज को जानते हैं और खोज और ग्रैपल करते हैं, एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. It means, in other words, जो अपना काम करते हैं तो ईश्वर भी उसका साथ दे देता है. जो अपना मेहनत, अपना हाथ जगन्ना, या ठीक है, जो उठता है कुछ कर्म करने के लिए, उसी को तो चलने वालों की ही तो, चलने वाले मंजिल पे पहुंचते हैं. अब चलो ही गए नहीं तो मंजिल पर पहुंच गए ही नहीं. तो इन अदर वर्ड्स ये सब मीनिंग इसका हो जाता है. नंबर 2, the miser gazed dash at the pile of gold coins in front of him. तो समझिए कि माइजर कौन है. अब पाइल ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइन्स क्या चीज है और माइजर का मतलब क्या होता है. इफ यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ माइजर यू विल. हाँ, माइजर मतलब होता है कंजूस. एक कंजूस गोल्ड कॉइन्स को कैसे देखता है, आंसर बताते हैं आपको. एविडली, एविड का मतलब क्या होता है. एविड ग्रीड उसमें होता है, लस्ट होता है. कंजूस से चाहता नहीं कि ये कहीं जाए, ये तो मेरे ही पास रहे. लालच से देखता है उसको, एविडली देखता है. हाँ, गेज्ड, एक कंजूस है बहुत एविडली, मतलब लालच से, उसकी नजरों में लालच था और वो उसी लालच की नजर से वो देख रहा था जो गोल्ड कॉइन्स है उसके सामने जो रखा हुआ है उस पर नजर टिकाया हुआ था वो लालच. Number 3, catching the early train will give us the chance to do some shopping. Okay. Number 4, easy. I saw a bird. The grapes are now ready, be mature, be ripe, be क्या? The grapes are ripe. Success in the examination depends. Very good. My uncle decided to take Dash and my sister to the market. Me hoga. My sister and me. If you smuggle goods into the country, they may be dashed by the customs of authority. Confiscated. Very good. Man does not live by very good. Piyush behaves strangely at times and therefore nobody gets. और कोई आंसर है क्या? Along with. Rohan and Rohit are twin brothers, but they do not look. ठीक है?
Alike.
To err is dash, to forgive is divine. Human. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? गलती करना इंसान तो गलती का पुतला है.
Woman होगा.
गलती करना तो ह्यूमन बीइंग का काम है और माफ करना डिवाइन. ठीक है. To err is human, to forgive is divine. The ruling party will have to put its own house on भी हो गया, in भी हो गया, into भी हो गया. तुम्हारा भी कुछ है क्या? 4 आदमी 4 बता दो ABCD. Yes. House in order. अब वापस दे दीजिए. मार्क्स क्या है इनका? मार्क्स लिख के दे दीजिए कितना. What are the marks? People who are online, give me the score. You 4 give me the score. Eight number किसी को है?
8.
Anybody has scored 8?
8, 9.
12. One was wrong. Okay, you?
8.
8. You? My, very bad. 5. You? 9. So 8, 9, and 12. How many people online? ऑनलाइन तो कुछ बोलेंगे ही नहीं कुछ लोग. Nobody is saying anything. People who are online, what is the score? Tell me. Yes? What is your score? किसने 6 कहा? Somebody wrote 10. Well, then let us come to GD. There was a major concern about the group discussion. So I would like to people to come forward for a GD. Now, people can participate. The role of youth in politics today. Yes, you start.
Yes, sir. The role of youth in politics is very important today, but sorry. So important today.
Please come and sit together. एक minute. All 4 must be visible. Yeah. This is the interview board. The role of youth in politics.
The role of youth in politics today is very important. It decides.
Ma'am is not here. Ma'am को भूल जाओ बोलना शुरू करो. You are not even supposed to look at me. Look at your friends and speak.
After the age 18, if you very mature, it decide on is better for our country and our future for a student, and who work good in our society, our country, for state.
According to my perception, politics is the backbone of any country, and the development politician leads the development of any country, and the youth are getting good education, so they can do good in politics. And
so let's talk about what is politics. Politics is basically it is a type of it is a type of system where there is a leader who leads all over the country, who leads his nation, who leads his particular state. So politics play a very important role uh, in the field of our nation, because those are the only people who decides what will what will be what we'll have to do in our country. Those are the only people who decide what to do and what to do, what kind of law should be implemented on our country. So, so it's necessary that our politicians should be well educated, and so I think the more and more youth should enter in the politics, because as we all know that most of the politicians in our country is they are uneducated, and so that's why the new youth should enter in the politics, because most of them are educated ones, and so and the youth have very good mentality, and they think most of the youths are patriotic, so they will think for their nation, then only they will think afterward to them.
youth is one of the major part in our society, or people of outside countries known as India as a generation, and it is our responsibility to decide a good leader, because a good leader thought about your society and provide opportunity where you can perform out well. So youth can give a major role or provide a better role for selecting a good leader. And today in our country, there are many uneducated leaders who don't even qualify class 10 qualification as well as class 12. They sit on the chair of their parents, and they rule over, then they decide the future of the young nation. So it's our major responsibility to target a good leader. And youth can also enter in the politics if they have idea to serve the society in a better way. And if youth have to engage, then youth provide some better ideas, such as when we enter in the politics, we provide an unemployment category that where every people get employed, and this is main focus, that everybody should have a better meal to eat and a better health system. And that's all that if their youth are knowledgeable, so youth are knowledgeable, so they provide a better idea, and also helps to our society as well.
Okay, are there any drawbacks of students joining politics?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Are there any drawbacks?
ma'am, we don't see politicians respectfully. That's the major drawback. And especially in India, people see respectfully in America, but not in India. So this is the major drawback. That's why you don't want to participate in
But do
politics.
you think students entering politics, they're wasting also time, and the time which should be which they should be spending in the studies in classrooms? So if they indulge in
Politics is also a good career, ma'am. If you will work hard,
They can learn there also, and this is the major drawback that people don't see them respectfully. But
Actually,
this
ma'am-
can change only. This can be changed, but only by youth, and youth should participate in politics.
actually, why people think that politics is good? Political is worse, because most of the politicians they are not educated. If the educated politician will enter, or the youth will enter in the politics, then it is definitely going to be good for the society. Nobody will think that politicians are good. For example, most of the politicians they just enter in the politics because they just want to earn money, and they just want to they just want to be financially secure, and that's why they enter in the politics, and they just give nonsense speeches. That's why people think that politics is not good. But those people who are educated one, they will enter in the politics and they will give good speech and if they have a good capability to influence the people, then nobody will think that he is poor or he is bad politician. So the and also youths can also
Ma'am, it is
rectify the problem of politics, because most of the politicians are old and that's why they don't have a capability to they don't have
Energy
capability-
wise also, they don't have
they don't have
energy.
capability compared to the youth ones. So youth, more and more youth should enter, and many people said that youth politics is not good, but politics is also good if you will work hard. If you will work hard and if you can be a good, if you are patriotic, then you can also be a good politician. If you will lead a people in a good way, then you are definitely going to be a good politician. There are many examples, such as you can say no, Kejriwal, and there are many. For example,
Modi.
Kumar Vishwas.
yeah, Kumar Vishwas, Kejriwal, all these are the example of these. So more and more people.
But many would have spent money for become a leader in society.
Ma'am,
What
that is
is
true. It is a time consuming, but if youth don't engage politics, then also the time gap between 5 years next for America and 5 years behind in India. That means that their society can reach behind. And if youth can get, youth can knowledgeable, have new idea, have their knowledge and have good passions and to invest for society. But if youth cannot raise their own leader, then our country GDP will be go hell and all our economy will be in down. So we cannot not give a single step in our worldwide situation.
So why people say that politics is a dirty game?
This is
No
the
matter what,
impression-
but this is
This
a
is the
proverb.
Politics
which
is a dirty game, and because
Politics is a dirty game, and nobody, and those who touches politics, their hands will be dirty.
Yes, ma'am.
So why do people
Now,
say
this
that?
is the impression which is made by the old politician, and currently it is going to, but it can be changed.
It can be changed by youth.
And those people who join politics who have money, who have name, but they have no power, so they join politics.
Some new political parties should be introduced by youth, and
So
if they-
the next question is, what is lacking in our politicians today? What is lacking and what should be?
Ma'am,
And you being
most
Ma'am,
most
there are
of the politicians they don't have a good competitor,
ma'am, there are
and
many.
that's why people have no choice to choose the politician. They have there are only 2-3 popular parties like BJP, Congress, and RJD, or all these. So they don't have any other much better parties compared to them. That's why they just have to they just have a
ma'am, people are bound to vote only for.
Yes, ma'am.
for
They are being
political
compared-
Parties, that's why they are taking advantages of them. That should be changed, but if this can be changed only if some new.
do you
political
think
party
it is very important to change the mindset of people?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Instead of changing the mindset of politicians, if we can change the mindset of people.
mindset of people can never be changed because people vote their own religion. On the basis of religion, they select a separate leader.
Yeah, this
Then
cannot.
there is a lots of fault to the
Hmm.
people also, because they just choose their
That is
own
what I'm
caste.
saying. Is it necessary to change the mindset of people by counseling them, by convincing them?
Yes, ma'am.
Which I don't think it is possible at in the present scenario.
Because people think their own. If you
And
are
politician will not let them do such things.
But many people not leader, so he choose their own caste.
So what are the qualities of a good politician?
Ma'am,
If you are striving to become a good politician, do you think you have such qualities? What are the qualities that a politician should have?
he should be a good leader. He should be a good spoken skills, and he should be a great personality. And he should have some money also, and he should have some good personality, and he should also have a good etiquette. proper age is around 40 to 45 or more than that, and
Ma'am, one thing.
Isn't it also true that students are inexperienced? They don't have much experience about anything. So since they are still studying, they may be educated, but what about experience?
Experience play a
Ma'am,
major role.
everyone joins for the first time, and if the students join, it will be beneficial in long
Do you
run.
think students should be given a chance?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it will be
I think
beneficial in long run.
educated student will give a chance. That means some leaders some leaders in BJP that
Sometime I
Ma'am,
think that
some
IS should
course
be
should be
an
introduced in India, some courses.
those IS should be an politician,
Those
and
qualified
politician should be an
parties. Yes, ma'am, like
Their
I want to
servant.
join corporate, I have eligibility in bachelor in business administration. If someone want to be an army, they have their they have to put their eligibility,
Eligibility.
they have set their eligibility. And if someone wants to join politics, they don't have any eligibility, still they are participating in politics. That should be changed. There should be some course in political science or some of history and some more, so they can learn about their nation, and they can learn about their people, and then they should join politics, so they can understand better their people, and they can participate in development.
I think, ma'am, I think that a certain criteria such as IAS qualification is better for politics. If
Not IAS
if you
qualification,
have IAS
but
then
qualification,
nobody will be politician.
if
Because
IAS
it's
if
very
you have
difficult.
IAS qualification, then the people never raise a hand for you that in a wrong way.
Yes.
And if people always respect you, and you have also motivated that you have also a feeling of inside to do a better to my country. And such as Election Commission of India given some qualification, that means if a person not educated just sitting on the chair of CM, PM, that's not category. There are certain
And those who haven't passed the 10th examination are our education
Deputy Chief
minister.
Minister.
Do you think the politicians should pass a skill test or something?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it
Definitely.
necessary for them to
I
clear a
think we
skill
are-
test before they want to become a politician?
We are
First of all, they
tested by
should
the
study a particular course related to that, and they should pass that examination, and after that they can participate in
Ma'am,
politics.
only the first two education is not. That means you have a feeling from inside to our community or society or country. That's very important.
Okay, you have to be a philanthropist, you have to be a
Yes,
good
ma'am.
human being.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
become a politician, so the first thing required for a person is to have honest approach towards humanity and a good human being.
Yes, ma'am. Kejriwal has introduced patriotism subject into the syllabus of Delhi school.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am. That should be introduced for politicians.
Love of
So they can-
country.
Yes, ma'am.
If you love your country, you will love the countrymen.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is also very important.
Because lots of politicians don't have emotion for their country. They just want.
They just think for
Power,
themselves.
power.
Yes, ma'am. They
Power
just-
hungry and power corrupts. Absolute power corrupts absolutely.
Yes, ma'am.
So
They
see
just
what
think for
happened when people
themselves.
got the power. So they were only filling their own pockets, their banks.
Let me save the power of.
Misuse of powers, exactly. So much has been said and lots have been said about politics. But then yes, about youth entering politics, even I welcome this, but then I also feel that students are, the youth is inexperienced. And in politics, you have got to have a lot of experience to run a show. So that's good, a good GD, everybody spoke today.
Lalo Yadav and Sangha Prasad also come from the student.
They were also students and they have gone a long way and they never chose any other from since the beginning. They were into politics and they never strayed and they never opted for anything else, but they remained politicians since I think their college days. So that's the GD round. The GD round is followed up by the PI round. You know what is the PI round?
First director.
Okay, let us start with the, yes, supposing you have cleared. If everybody spoke today, so it's you're all cleared. So let us start with you. Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Devraj Singh. I'm from Patna only. I've done my education from I've done my higher education and secondary education from CBSE. Right now, I'm pursuing BBA from CMH College, and my hobby is to play computer games and use and browse on internet.
What makes you think you can become a good manager? So
Ma'am,
why you have chosen BBA as a career option?
because I don't have any other option. That's why I've chosen this. Earlier, I was a science student.
There has got to be something in you, no? That yes, I have got leadership skills. You will not say didn't have any other choice. That is why I chose BBA. No, you feel I'm always a person who can manage.
I
who
always
can
wanted
lead.
to be a manager.
I've always wanted to be a manager. I have been managing my things, my life, my time, my work.
And it's
I've
not
always
a
been a good manager right from school days.
It's
I-
not a real PI. That's why I'm.
Yeah, it is a mock, so you have to speak like the real PM. Yeah, I'm a very good manager right from very early days. If I talk about my school days, I was always managing my homework, my classwork,
I was always a monitor in my
and
classes.
being the monitor of the class, will give me a chance to manage a lot of things. So yes, I've got this
I was
leadership
also the head
skills.
boy of the college. One
Yeah.
for an year.
Never say that because I did not have any understanding. All right, continue. They will ask you questions in between. Yes, I'm push रहे हैं, वैसे पूछेंगे.
Okay,
Ah yes, you were talking about your interest in hobbies.
Yes, ma'am. My hobbies are to play computer games and
So
browse
you
internet.
being a manager, where will you get the time to play computer games? Because hobby or
But
something.
it was my hobby. Right now it is not.
Okay, then right to talk. Let us talk about your current hobby.
I'm current, ma'am. I like to use YouTube and improve my knowledge on YouTube.
All right. So I am always on a learning spree,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I keep on learning.
Keep on learning.
Like my hobbies are like I'm very creative and I want to learn more and more.
Yes.
I'm hungry for this knowledge.
Yes,
So this keeps me busy and this keeps me knowledgeable, and which has never failed me. So yes, my interest and hobby, I can say includes around my career, my character, my personality, which I'm always improving with each single passing day.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, continue.
And ma'am, I think my उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मेरी अच्छाइयाँ मेरी बुराइयाँ उसको. Yeah,
Let us talk about your SWOT.
What, ma'am?
So
Your personal SWOT. Your strength,
Yes,
weakness.
I think my strength is I can coordinate with people easily. I can adapt that situation easily. I can adapt that people easily who is behaving.
I have got persuasive skills. If I talk about my strength, I'm happy to say that I'm very persuasive. I'm convincing. I'm adaptable.
Yes, ma'am. And my
I am trustworthy. I am all that it needs to take to be a good manager.
yes, ma'am.
तो वो सारी बातें तुम में हैं जो एक good manager में होनी चाहिए. And plus my ability to learn. I'm always in the learning mode. So that keeps me on toes. That keeps me on toes because I'm always looking for new opportunities, taking up challenges. Now about my drawbacks, I would like to mention my drawbacks. I lack in communication skills, or sometimes I lack confidence,
Yes, ma'am.
which is but natural. But yes, I am working on it.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर कुछ ड्रॉबैक है भी तो आप बोलेंगे समटाइम्स लगा देंगे and अब ये जरूर बोलेंगे कि that you are working on your drawbacks. So where do you see yourself from 5 years down the line?
After 5 years, I think that I can be a good manager.
I see myself as a
Yes, ma'am. I see myself as a good manager in a reputed company.
reputed
Yes, ma'am. Reputed company.
reputed company. Can you relocate? Can you relocate? नहीं समझे आप, आपका यहाँ होम टाउन है, आप क्या और बाहर कहीं काम कर सकते हैं? Can you relocate? Can you be sent to Bangalore or?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because my father was
तो
in
ये
army.
word जान लो, relocate मतलब, are you willing to relocate?
Yes, ma'am.
होम टाउन पटना है, बिहार में रहते हो.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to relocate?
I can.
Yes, I am
adapt
willing to
anywhere.
relocate. Yes, anywhere in the country. So are you willing? Do you have a passport?
No, ma'am.
You don't have a passport. Supposing you are being interviewed for multinational companies, तो आपको अगर पूछता है कि do you have a passport? तो बोले yes, I don't have one, but yes, I will get as soon as possible. तो क्या होगा? They will recruit you and they will send you to Australia or America. They will do that. Because in MNCs वो पूछते हैं कि आपके पास passport है भी कि नहीं. What are the skills you are most proud of?
Skills.
सबसे अधिक क्या तुम्हारा अचीवमेंट क्या है? What are the skills you are most proud of?
I think I am a good speaker. I think, but
I'm not sure. You're okay. The skill which I am most proud of is my communication skills.
yes,
I connect. I can get the facts right. I understand. I convince.
people easily.
Yes, I'm a people person. It means you like connecting with people.
I can convince my people easily, my customer easily.
You're through. Just next. Whatever questions I've asked him. Take questions. Yes, tell me something which is not in your resume.
I have a degree of digital marketing course, which I haven't mentioned in my resume, and I got this certificate from IAB Europe.
Tell us about it. Tell us about it. Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Balram Purve, and I am from Madhuni district.
What is the meaning of your name?
Balram. Strength.
Hmm?
Strength, boldness.
Your strength. How do you justify your name? How do you feel this name suits me fine? Are you a strong-willed person? मतलब ये होता है. नाम बलराम है, तो इस नाम को justify कैसे करते हैं? Yes, you cannot keep quiet in front of the HR.
This one, I have a strong mindset.
I'm strong-willed. I believe that the mind is stronger than the body. So I listen to my mind, which always guides me. Strength is power, and I am empowered with my knowledge. I'm just giving you the guidelines. क्या कैसे
Introduce पहले से रट लेंगे.
Okay. I feel empowered because of my hard work. My hard work has never actually failed me. I'm a front runner. I'm honest to the core. I do things to the best of my ability. I'm a good planner. I program, I plan, and of course I execute also. So these things which I've learned from my core subjects, which has helped me empower myself. So planning, I planned my life, I planned my career. I have paved a path for myself, and I'm ready now, job ready, to walk on the path. I'm confident of my skills and knowledge, and I am a keen learner. I would like to continue learning, to do my best in the chosen field. Right? It is your interview, no, not mine. So, Balram, continue. I'm giving you the guidance.
I'm pursuing my graduation from Siemens College, Patna.
Okay, tell me about Simage.
This is the best college in Patna city.
What the benefit?
Tell me something which I do not know.
Everything.
What do you mean by disaster management? Not in your course?
Handling on fire.
No, ma'am.
Handling difficult
Handling,
situations.
ma'am.
This situation.
Can you work under stress?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle pressure? All right, tell me something about yourself on the basis of which you can be recruited today.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me something about yourself which can help me, enable me to decide on your recruitment today.
Learner, and I believe in consistency. And whatever I have done in past, I have done well.
Like,
I have completed my digital marketing course and I am pursuing my graduation. I most of the time got good marks, and I am a good cricketer, and I do.
cricket is a mind game.
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you use that in your career?
Yes, ma'am. I do captaincy of my team, and I manage my bowler very well, and I decide my batsman's number, and I decide my openers according to the bowler of the opposition team. So these are the things I manage a lot. So I think I can help all these things in.
You can convert all these things in your office, in your career also.
So my team can do well.
Alright, where do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I want to become an entrepreneur, and
I see myself as an entrepreneur.
I have some idea, and I want to work on that. But initially, I want to work into a good company under a good boss, so I can learn.
For experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yeah, introduce yourself. Your name is?
Neeraj Kumar.
Neeraj Kumar. What is the meaning of your name?
It means a lotus. Lotus of God.
Define your name. A lotus is something which is seen,
A lotus is a type of flower
which
which the God, which the Brahma, the ultimate God likes.
Lie in a mind.
okay. And where is it found?
They found in dirty places.
They found it.
They found in dirty places in West Side, but it's
So how will you justify your name in dirty places, in unpleasant situations? Will you prove your name? Will you prove your worth? Will you excel in places which are not favorable?
Yes, ma'am. This is I adjust the places that is not favorable for me, because where I go, I have on mindset about these places, and if the places will perform uncertainly, I manage it and until the places to become beautiful and wonderful.
Okay, what is your aim in life?
My aim in life to become a billionaire until after 10 years. If I don't be a billionaire, then my life, I lose my life. That's my life.
I mean, you will lose your life.
He will kill himself.
I kill myself if I don't.
But that is a very negative thing to say in an interview. Billionaire नहीं बनेंगे तो फिर हम suicide करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
That is a very negative thing to
That's
say.
and
Yes, ma'am. And he will make million.
You need a lot of convincing and
They cannot
counseling.
handle pressure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. He can make million.
Just now you said you justify your name under unfavorable situations, you will be shining out. So when situation turns unfavorable, you will have to shine out as your name.
yes, ma'am, I have to sign out because my target is that after 10 years, this is my first priority, that I become a billionaire. Even what business I do, I have a multiple business idea, and I applied for a company, new company, private limited for myself, and when we do a business in sole proprietorship, there is no need to register your company. That's all name of your enterprise. That's all. And basically, I don't want to in a job. I want to become an own director. Or I basically my business is. I
Basically,
want-
you would like to become a
want
job
to be
provider. Job provider.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just an job provider. Because
That's very good, and we
Want to
wish you
be
all
a
the luck.
boss of his own company.
Okay, you want to be the boss of your own company
I don't
and
want to
become
be
a job
boss.
provider.
No, I don't want to be boss. I want to be a good person of that everybody like him. That's what everybody like.
So you want to be a popular person, you want to be a philanthropist, you want to do some social work, you want to
Yes, ma'am.
indulge in things which
When he will get millionaire, just
Too
like
hard
Bill
work.
Gates,
When I get a success, I help people a lot.
just like Bill Gates. Yes, ma'am.
No, Bill Gates.
You will definitely going to like our number. If you will get.
I'm already plan ahead to set up, and that's no need to elaborate more. That's.
so basically you're a very sentimental person, I think. Psychologically, which are you are being tested, like you are very psychological, you're a sentimental person.
Yes, yes.
You are sentimental. Okay.
Selection one. Am I selected or not?
I will tell you a little bit. Can you be seen? All right, introduce yourself.
My name is Kumar. I am from Patna. I passed 10th from CBSE and 12th DSE. Now I am pursuing degree from Siemens College, Aryabhatta University. And my hobby is flying cricket and test also flying cricket.
What are the skills of a good manager?
Who manage their team, who motivate their team member.
What is the difference between a leader and a boss?
A leader is a good leader is who lead a team in better way, and boss is who run their business in better way. Who
So would you like to become a leader or a boss?
I become a leader.
Very good.
After that,
Why do you want to join our company?
I want to get some experience how to work in a company, how to manage their.
Why do you think you are capable of this job? Why should I hire you? Why do you think you are the best candidate?
Because I handle the pressure of company, and I manage. I work on time. So
Okay, fine. All right, all of four of you, you're being shortlisted, and we'll get back to you in a week's time. And good luck, all of you.
Okay.